This is Randy, the girls them candy. Big up to my friend named Sandy. Happy birthday in October. Guys, you see anybody on my beach? When them knows, you see all the cheer them, after my friend them were dead, you know? Iron, and my dead friend them up on the cheer them. Ancestors, don't what? Isn't this a spiritual move? Look at all the cheer I rented. You see the chair that I rent. So brother, look like our ancestors you lay out the chair them for. Are the ancestors you lay out the chair them for. You see there's a time, you know, when nobody no show up. No, but it seems like the ancestors them have a good time.
No man, you saw the hottest spot for the chair, man. You saw hot right through.
But what may I say, but it's a good thing though.
Yeah man, you're so hot every time man, because you're so become the hottest public spot like that.
Yeah.
Because you see you're so
vibe.
Yeah, and not only vibe. Vibe are the good thing. I would have play dirty music, certain things we don't deal with.
Yeah.
Stealing we not tolerate.
Stealing.
Harassment we not tolerate.
Mm-hmm.
And that's enough farmer any foolishness we not tolerate. Blocking a car and all these things. From
okay.
The right down to life post,
so you no govern the thing. So what if you tell them, say, who are your name? Who them for forward to?
A Slim man or David man.
So you govern the thing?
Yeah man, and we have lifeguard there and we in line with the parish council and everything. We are trying to bring back the Sunset Beach to the Sunset Beach that it was before.
It's a clean, safety?
Very clean and secure. It run like it have a fence and a gate. And it don't have a fence and a gate.
So you have the man them will help you govern?
Yeah man, the place well governed. All of the guys them where we know we are thieves. When we rent a man a chair, we have to watch them bag and them phone and stuff. We never even make them come here so come swim. We never even allow them to even walk on the side there. And over there so them walk.
What you said to me? Governor?
Yeah, that's how we govern the place.
Slim, you are the governor.
No joke. If me are going, it's not, look here, me give you $100,000 so every Sunday.
For the kids them?
Check my Instagram and you see. Plus not only that, everybody me make it ice cream. So you know so when money are given,
yeah,
the place are go full.
Got it.
The only time people not get ice cream is I went and the truck empty there. So.
How long you do it?
How long? 3 years now I'm there from Europe.
Oh, okay.
But I'm a spot, I'm a yard. I'm
the
whole principle, I never pass.
Got it.
I'm come and I like when I see a gone.
Got it.
Yeah.
You born here?
No,
in MoBay?
No, original born in Kingston. Come here from me a baby, my whole
so
man
you,
come from your mother in Kingston.
You feel a prophecy, you feel an energy, say you have to up it.
Somebody have to do it. Because anywhere we left it, a day we grand picnic and we picnic them and come get it.
Got it.
If we make them feel like it's a year well then you can just come here and sit down. And when a man left in phone, you take you up and you run gone. And that's how we picnic them go face.
Okay.
So now it is the known as an era. If you come right as you come then a foolishness, you get your hand and your foot broke. And me have the two bodies gang behind me. Two bodies gang. What go on, sir? The two bodies gang me have behind me. You don't know them?
So you govern the thing.
And the two wickedest gang.
No say no name, no say no name.
The JCF and the JDF.
The governor, the JCF and the JDF. Ja, Rasta, give thanks for life. You see that? A Slim govern the thing, you know, people. See my beach, yeah. Slim say if you don't come here, so our bag get thief, our phone get run up on, we don't get sun up on, burn up. If we not turn up, wow, this is what them call dead end beach. And look how it clean, man, recyclable. You see when you see a Jamaican take charge, man, a good say, the boy them take charge, you know. A good thing for say a Jamaican. Man say 100,000 them give out every weekend for the kids them. This is what it's about, a Jamaican taking charge. The ancestors them, you know, them set up the chair for the ancestors them just sit down and just, the ancestors them first. Wow, look at that. Clean, no begging. That is what Jamaicans need to do, man. Take charge and have the two baddest gang in Jamaica, the JDF and what they. Ja. Another one coming in on the Jamaica Good Life Watchtower. This is Randy. This is the Girls Them Hour. JetBlue is coming in. Another plane for healing in Jamaica. Good life. This is your host along with Iron. You know, we're here just chilling and relaxing and give thanks for life. You know, it's your life. You know, I was about to get married one time, and the beach called me and says, Randy, if you marry this woman and she doesn't want to go to Jamaica with you, it's going to be a problem. You're probably going to burn down the house and leave. But I didn't get married, so now I'm here looking for the good wife in this Jamaica good life. This is Randy, the Girls Them Candy. I made it. I'm age 51, and this is God's plan. What do you say, Aaron? Give thanks for what? Life. I'm sharing this view live with my brethren, man, because you see, people, let's have a morning breakfast. This is what they're trying to keep from us. Now, the question is, how do you survive in Jamaica? You have a 401k. Well, you have to find the right people where you got to buy 2 Voxy, one for yourself, one for business. And then you have to make sure you know how much you're supposed to bring in as a JUTA and put a tracker on the Voxy. So once you put a good tracker on the Voxy, good alarm and everything, you go to Robinson Electrician. Let me tell you enough to do business. Come to MoBay, you buy a Voxy, buy 2 cars. Then you go to Robinson Electrician and you put on the alarm and the tracker and everything. And you get the red plate, you get the JUTA license and everything. And you hire a young professional who's want to do the work. And add it to JUTA. You're tracking the vehicle. So then it's insured and everything and full coverage. You see me? And then you have your vehicle and you have a vehicle bringing in income, because it's 20,000 per day, 200 US per day, even 500 US per day for that car to make in MoBay. So then you have to purchase a condo in MoBay, because Montego Bay is going to be the next Miami. And the storm is coming and things will change, but then we'll build back at all times. But if you think you're going to have $1 billion in America and retire when you're 67, you're going to have diabetes, high blood pressure, the bone not going to work. Because if you don't get Roaring River, and if you don't get the seawater, your bones, the mineral, the body is mostly water. So when you're there in a foreign and wait for retire, you have to come to Jamaica and figure it out. Then you buy 3 acres of land in a St. Mary, fence it with a 15-feet wall, with bamboo inside the wall, and build some big tank. And what you do now with the big tank, then now you get a solar panel, your big bad dogs, and you plant lime and soursop. 3-5 acres fence. Spend your money on fencing, bamboo, chicken cob wire, and concrete, and wrap that 15 feet and make a big gate like how they make them in Nigeria, and plant lime, guava, and soursop and castor oil. So then now you drive 2 hours from MoBay, your condo, to your farm with your solar panel with your big tank, and you get solar panel. So when you want the country, St. Mary's selling land about near Whitehall, right near Arakabessa, round there. Buy land now. Don't worry about the 2 million you have in the 401k. Take 500,000 and buy the land and get a piece of Airbnb, a piece of property. If you have a family member who's a teacher, some of the housing scheme that they're building in MoBay is for local people only. What you have to do, if you have a trusted family member who is a teacher or works in the system, work with them to buy 2 of the properties that they're building in MoBay. 2 of them. They're going to sell them probably about 50,000 or 75,000. Only local people can buy those. So when you buy those now, you expand it and turn it into Airbnb. You have to find family you can work with, test them. But if you can't work with family, buy something in MoBay as soon as possible, because MoBay is the next Miami and it's building up very fast. So this is the last call. St. Mary, MoBay. Now, they say, Randy, what about Portland? Portland is beautiful also. The thing about MoBay is that enough hospitals are here. When you get 3,000 Jamaican dollars just to get checked at the hospital in case you have a high fever or you have pain or something happen, and you have your insurance from abroad. And remember, when you fly, always have your medical coverage. Buy your health insurance when you fly to Jamaica. So if anything happens to you, you're protected. Don't buy a plane ticket without medical coverage. Now in MoBay, they have the best hospitals. And when there's a storm, in about 3 or 4 days, infrastructure is pretty good. They have to get it up and running for the tourists because of business. So you find that in other parts of the country, there'll be Portland, Manchester, sometimes when the storm comes, 3 months, 2 months, no water and stuff like that. So the water place is closed, the electrical place is closed. So this is one of the reasons why I know MoBay is becoming one of my favorite places, because of business, FedEx. So for people who are 51, who are young, who want to be home, they're young and they want to not say retire, but they want to do business in Jamaica, you have to know what you're doing. Now my Voxy costs about $13,000, right? First memory is to run some taxi in the country, and we'll change the transmission for $1,600. So basically the mechanics in MoBay are very good. Things are happening. You just have to lose some, you win some. The girl name win some, right? So see that. This is Jamaica Good Life. This is kind of the plan for the future, because let me tell you something. If you don't act now, lose the cow and choose the pop chow, you're not gonna have it 5 years from now. Mama said 7 years from now for 2013. When we hit 20, remember said, the reason why they all come into Jamaica and the property is so expensive is something called air index. Jamaica has one of the best water index, air index in the world. The rich man land is changing. India, China, toxic. And what they found out is that their money is not worth anything, because money can't buy nature. Now in Jamaica, with the raising temperature of the water and global warming, Jamaica, because of the mountain, kind of has its own little ecosystem. You see what I say? So the mountains help to protect us from storms, and the food is constant and the health is constant. So you have to decide in a life what you want to do. So now Amazon, people shipping out things, herbs and stuff. So we have to decide. You have to fight it out. You have to learn. You have to defend yourself. You have to be a lion here. No kitty, no living at the city. But MoBay is amazing. It's changing for the best. So when you see the news and hear the news, there's different part of life, and this is why I've traveled, and now this is where I'm settling. And people say, Randy, you're biased to MoBay because that's where you live in. I said, let me tell you something. There's nowhere in Jamaica there's a sidewalk that I could bike to the beach. MoBay has something in Jamaica that nowhere else has. It's called a sidewalk. And in Jamaica, don't try to ride on the side without a sidewalk. You might lose your life. So Kingston, Mandeville, Portland, there's no sidewalk. You can ride on this. MoBay has sidewalks for your bicycle. So when you talk about building your heart chakra, your heart is the most important thing in your life. Give thanks for life. Your heart is the most important thing in life. So what do you need for your heart? Cardiovascular exercise. So when I came to MoBay and realized that MoBay had the most important thing in life, sidewalk, I said, oh, wait a minute. Sidewalks is where rich people have. You go to West Palm Beach, sidewalks. Oh, life is about sidewalks. So when you want to run in the morning, you don't have to worry about car or splash water or lick you. Oh, life is about sidewalks. So when you say MoBay build up now and then buy it out, you're going to see a different class of people living here because of the sidewalks, the running, the jogging, the business, the hospitals, the beaches. and the infrastructure. See, that man is running over there. See, I'm jogging easy. So you say, what? How come he's just jogging? Is he not afraid? You're gonna see the bikers. Are they afraid? Tell you something. Things are secure more than you know. So the reason why I always preach Jamaica, passive Pan-African, passive Garveyite. We don't have to talk bad about nobody, we just talk good. Because the next generation, your grandchildren, if you don't establish a business down here, what are you guys going to be, tourists in your own country? So you have to be vigilant, you have to be extremely brave and powerful and risk takers, because at the end of the rainbow, you know, see this right there, so this is what you're going to gain. This is what I've gained. This is it. This is what you say. Good presentation, life, man. Give thanks for life, huh? Give thanks for life. So that is the show for today, people. Take heed to my words. I don't go and do this every day. Make this be the best 10 minutes on life or 16 minutes. Do what I tell me for do. Because time is coming where if we don't own piece of this, you know, somebody else is gonna own it. And then we can't say we didn't know. Because Randy, from Africa to Jamaica, I had to live in Jamaica because it's where the pineapple is, where the custard apple, the sweet sap, where the fruits are. You know? Peace and love to honor. Bless up. You see my brother, I have to preach it to the